with no political dynasty, no powerful surname, and no shortcuts. Yet, he changed the course of Indian politics forever. September 17, 1950, in a small town of Vadnagar, Gujarat, a boy named Narendra Damodar Das Modi was born in a modest family. Life wasn't easy, but from an early age, he was drawn towards the ideas bigger than himself. As a student, he loved debates and theaters, often playing larger than life characters. At the age of 8, when he was introduced to the RSS, their discipline and service became central to his life. In his late teens, when most people were searching for careers, Modi ji spent years traveling across India. From the Himalayas to the spiritual centers like Belur Math and Ramakrishna Ashram, he searched for meaning and purpose. Returning to Gujarat, he became a full time worker for the RSS. During the emergency imposed in 1975, he worked underground, organized resistance movements, and built connections with leaders who would shape his political future. Through the 1980s and 1990s, Modi ji steadily rose within the Bharatiya Janata Party. His organizational skills and election strategies helped the BJP expand its influence across Gujarat and beyond. 2001, he became the Chief Minister of Gujarat. Over the next 13 years, he emerged as one of India's most influential and prominent public figure, known for his focus on governance and development, while also facing intense scrutiny and controversy, particularly following the Gujarat riot. By 2014, Modi ji's message of development and change resonated across country. The BJP secured a historic majority and he became the 14th Prime Minister of India. Since then, he has gone on to win three consecutive general elections, making him one of the most powerful leaders in modern Indian history. From a small railway town to world's largest democracy, Modi ji's journey is a story of discipline, ambition, resilience, and decades of relentless political evolution. Sometimes history is written not in a moment but over a lifetime. And that's what makes his journey matter.